Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 not fitting on a screen. So click on start, then settings. Now in system click on display. In display guys you will see two options, scale and layout. Change the size of text, apps and other items. So select here recommended, and also guys you can increase size of text and apps and other programs like 175. So adjust as your PC or laptop requirement. And also guys you can change display resolution. 1920 is recommended, and also you can increase or decrease. You can select any option which is fit for your screen. So this is the easy and quick way guys to fix Windows 11 not fitting on screen. Thanks for watching, and guys please comment this video useful for you or not.